Hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word. My question for you today is this. Why do we need the Sabbath? What's the big deal? Why do we need that Sabbath? And in the section that we're reading today, God is going to address that as to why you need the Sabbath. We've talked about the Sabbath several times throughout our teachings here. But today it's just God reiterating that. It's even one of the commandments. We've spent time talking about the 10 Commandments. But God gives further instructions on the Sabbath today. The Sabbath for you, it could be, for many Christians, it's on Sunday. Other people, it might be Saturday. God didn't say, you have to be legalistic about it. And some people are legalistic. It's going to be on Saturday, otherwise, you're going to burn in hell and stuff like that. No, God didn't say that. But he said you need to be taking the Sabbath. And he was very serious about it. Basically, if you didn't take the Sabbath, you were to be cut off from Israel. So, very serious with that. This is taken today from Exodus 31, verses 12 through 18. We're actually going to finish up chapter 31 today. And it's entitled, Why Do We Need the Sabbath? Okay? It says this, Then the Lord said to Moses, Say to the Israelites, You must observe my Sabbath. This will be a sign between me and you for generations to come, so you may know that I am the Lord who makes you holy. Okay, right there is the answer to our question. Why do we need the Sabbath? Well, God answers that. There are several answers to this. But the first one is it should be a sign between you and me for generations to come, so that you may know that I am the Lord who makes you holy. Okay, so this is a day, and it's a sign between me and God to remind me of him making me holy, okay? And so it's when I go to church on Sunday and stuff, it's just a constant reminder of my relationship with God, okay? That's the way it should be. This is just, we're not going to be forgetting about God because we've got the Sabbath, and it's a day for us to really focus on the Lord, all right? Other religions didn't have a Sabbath. Okay, and the heathens don't have a Sabbath. Like, why would I honor God if I don't believe in God? So that's what sets apart Christians and those that follow God from everyone else. All right, it continues on. Observe the Sabbath because it is holy to you. Anyone who desecrates it is to be put to death. Okay, this is a very serious thing. Okay, God didn't want you goofing around and defiling the Sabbath. But he was serious, and he said, you're going to be put to death if you do that. Those who do any work on that day must be cut off from their people. For 6 days work is to be done, but on the seventh day is the day of Sabbath rest, holy to the Lord. Whoever does any work on the Sabbath day is to be put to death. The Israelites are to observe the Sabbath, celebrating it for generations to come as the lasting covenant. It will be a sign between me and you and the Israelites forever. And in the 6 days the Lord made the heavens and the earth, and on the seventh day he rested and was refreshed. When the Lord finished speaking to Moses on Mount Sinai, he gave him the 2 tablets of the covenant of the law, and tablets of stone inscribed by the finger of God. A lot of the issue here is like, I've got to work, 7 days to make ends meet. When you take that Sabbath, you're putting your trust in God, that God is going to take care of you, and that the work that you do on the 6 days will actually sustain you through the seventh day. A good example of this was God provided the manna to the people. And some people thought, it's not going to come. We need to go out and gather it on the Sabbath day. Well, it didn't come on the Sabbath day. God was training those people. They need to rely on him, and he's going to give them plenty of manna the day before the Sabbath for them to take in. And so in the same way, we need to be looking at that and not saying, I got to work, every day to make ends meet. We need to be trusting the Lord for him to take care of us working those 6 days. All right. And we should be honoring the Sabbath. And I gave you today the reasons why we have the Sabbath. The big thing is it's a sign to everybody else, but it's a sign between me and God of his commitment to me and how he takes care of me. All right, thanks for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Exodus. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.